Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. My name is Sean Paul from Tyler's Drones. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Matrice 400 as well as a few accessories like the Zenmuse L3 LiDAR, and then we also have the camera, P1 camera. Let's jump into the unboxing. And with this, it's all about just unhooking these latches. There's two on this side, and then you're able to hook it as so. And with that is your drone so far. There is a little protect right here, take that off. With that, you also have the landing gear. We advise you to put it like this, and you want to find these gaps, plug it in like this, as so. Boom, and then you twist to the right, and it fully locks like so. And you also got to take the other side out. And this same thing, you want to find that space, as so. Boom. Then you want to go down, twist to the right. Now so, and we have protectors. We don't need to worry about that now. Then you can just wiggle the whip out, and then now we can place it on a flat surface, as so, like that. All right guys, forgot to mention that it does come with the drone itself. It also comes with the battery, remote controller, a few accessories like must be the remote controller holder, and some other gadgets for the drone itself. And I believe might be some type of, yeah, for the holder as well, for the remote controller. That's what all it comes with, just the Matrice 400 alone. You also have some manuals, some stickers as well. We also had to get our power from the drone. So remember, this is sold separately from the Matrice 400, so you will have to buy the flight battery separately. And we already did a little unboxing of it. So what we have to do, here, 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 and then you can just wiggle it out, as so. Clean this up, and then you're gonna box it as so. And then here is the battery. Alright guys, when you have unboxed your new battery for your Matrice 400, remember this is a 59 battery flight time without no payload, but with the payload it's around 55 minutes to 57 minutes. We're going to be testing it out for you. But don't forget that the battery does come somewhat dead. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see it's 2.5 bars. Make sure you do charge the battery before you fly it. Here's the battery. It does have like a little handle to it, and don't forget there is a protector on the drone, so make sure you take it off. We are going to place it inside, as so, and does like a locking feature like that. Make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Remember, we do have to set up the drone. Remember, this is a RC+2, the same as any other DJI remote controllers. As you can see, same model, same name, all that. So we can start wrapping it a little bit. And then also, it does come with a battery, but these batteries might not be charged, so you might have to give it power first. But we're gonna test that out for you. Nope, this is dead. So make sure when you guys put in the battery, it is a new fresh battery. Alright guys, when you do power on your drone, remember it has to be from external power, like a removable battery, or you can plug it into the USB-C. But like any other product, same as pressing once and you're holding it, it will turn on. And like same as setting up any other DJI product, you're just gonna hit next, agree to terms, and then we are gonna need a personal hotspot. So we're gonna be using our hotspot out here. This one is gonna be once it's connect, you're able to hit next. We're gonna hit next, and then we're gonna set our time zone, which is gonna be for us Pacific time. You can hit confirm. With that, you are gonna need to create an account, or you're gonna need to log into an account, which we're gonna be doing shortly right now. Okay guys, when you have log into your account or create a new account, it's going to be asking you to go through the entire settings and all that, but we're just gonna hit not now for a remote controller password, but we're gonna hit not now. You can go through the entire product and the improvement and all that, but we're just gonna hit not now for now. And then basically you can hit, if you're not too familiar, you can hit the start and go through all the tutorial and all the settings for it, but we're just gonna hit skip for now. Doing this thing. Now we're gonna go through the user agreement and all that. Just gonna hit okay, I agree. Same thing here, agree. Maintenance notes and all that, I agree. And then also you can check the authorization application, which is like the memory card, all that, location if you want to share your location or not. But all we're gonna do is click one-click authorization, and as you can see, it'll go through all the things you wanna allow or don't allow. So we're just going at the bottom, we're just gonna hit OK, top right. Perfect. And then if you want to, like I say, you can go through the entire improvement project and all that. You can hit not now. But here we're at the homepage of the Matrice 400. Alright guys, once you have done setting up your remote controller, we are going to be moving on to adding a payload, which is, for here is the Zenmuse L3 LiDAR. So for this, we're going to be unboxing it. This is brand new. You can just slide this out. And if we make our way over here, it does also come with some micro SD and all that, and as well some little tools and screws for the LiDAR itself. We also have, I believe, might be a protector for the LiDAR, as you can see, or some type of attachment. We'll unbox it if we need to, but you guys are here for the LiDAR, so we are going to be unboxing that. And here we have the LiDAR. Alright guys, we did have to move the drone up on the truck bed just so we're up on the elevated surface, but we are going to be installing the LiDAR like I said. This is a very expensive attachment, so as you see, this is the LiDAR. You have to be very careful because it does have open ports. Guys, when you guys come to the drone, remember there are two caps, so one right here and then one on the drone itself. For this one, all you're going to do is twist it to the right, it comes right off. And then we also have another cap right here, which is very hard to see, but it's right here. And then this one, there is a button right here as well. I don't know if the camera can see, but right here, you're gonna push that in and twist to the left, and it comes right off. We are gonna grab our payload of choice, and for this one, you're gonna line it up. As you can see, there's a white dot and a red dot. We are gonna line it up to the red dot. And for this one, I like to hold it from here, basically wiggle it around, and then you can twist to the right, and it locks. You should hear a little slight click, and then once you be able to go, it should be good. Alright guys, don't forget there's also some type of protector on the drone itself, like this LiDAR. The LiDAR is here, as you can see, right there. We're gonna be just organizing these. You know, you can keep these, you know, you don't have to, but it's always a good idea too. You also have these protectors here for the propellers, but that's this side, and then we also have some on the back, so we're gonna be getting rid of those, as you can see, as so. And then these are protectors, so you can use these when you guys are traveling with your drone or trying to protect them. And for this one, all we gotta do is unfold as so, and then these are almost like screws, so you're gonna try to find your way to the screw, and then you are gonna tighten them down. Same on this side. There's some type of screw, so like I said, you're gonna wiggle your way in until it gets to the flush, and you're gonna twist it as so. Basically with the orange lines up with the orange, you should be good. With this one over here as well, same thing here again. You're gonna wiggle your way in, and you are gonna twist it to a line like that. Same thing on this side. And then you're gonna twist it like so. Okay guys, don't forget we also have the camera of the Matrice 400, the P1 camera. We're gonna just keep all the boxes like so. Toss that to the side. Here is the Zenmuse P1 camera. This one, to open it, same thing, you push in, releases like that, like so. Here is the gimbal attachment. We do not have a lens, unfortunately, but we are going to be using the LiDAR. But here it is, same thing like about unscrewing the cap, locking features and all that, same thing. All right guys, we cannot forget about powering the drone. It does, like I said, does not come with the drone, but it is an accessory to the drone. It's their battery station. So we already did an unboxing. Pull it out. Guys, don't worry, we'll pick that up. And then here is Matrice 400 Intelligent Battery Station. Pull it out. Guys, don't worry, we'll pick that up. And then here is Matrice 400 Intelligent Battery Station. You can open it by just unlatching these, flipping it back up. And for this, you can charge one at a time, but 3 at a time. For the drone, as you say, there's an on and off switch. You also have some type of alarm or alerting system for the charging, as you can see. It also comes with different plugs for what type of region you are in, or country you are in. But that's pretty much it when it comes to the battery intelligent station. All right guys, once you have set up your Matrice 400 with your payload choice and making sure all the plastics are off and protectors are off, you are going to be linking the drone to the Matrice 400. So we're going to click link, and then we are going to go here, turn on the battery. Once the drone is on, it'll do some type of calibration. And then once the drone is on, now you're going to press and hold the power. As you see guys, once it has been linked, it will show you the Matrice 400 connected. Once you have linked the Matrice 400 to the remote control, it is going to give you the activation and all that, the terms and agreement. You just scroll all the way down. Once you scroll all the way down, you can see, you can hit click, activation and all that. Click next again. And then if you want to, you can go to the industry info and all the public safety and all that. We'll just skip it for now. And we're going to hit on, make sure that's your right email and all that, confirm your account. We're going to hit activate. Boom, it says now, it says been successfully completed. All right guys, once the page is done loading, as you can see, you can activate your DJI Care, but we're not going to do that right now. But if you have if you do have your email and log into it, you can sign in and put it under care. But for now, we're just going to hit back. I'm going to hit exit for now, and then we can go into the drone itself, and we can hit enter camera view. We can hit, it's giving you data. Hit OK for now, and then basically you are in the main hub of the Matrice 400. All right guys, don't forget, if it does have any kind of caution or some type of update, you are going to click on the caution. And as you can see, there is a firmware update. We are going to be updating this. So like I said, it already has an update, so we're going to hit update all, and we're going to give it some time to update. All right guys, once the update has been successfully done, you can click the OK button, hit OK, and now you can see for this page, it has been all updated, but you can go onto this other page, update all the devices, and you can click on that as well. All right guys, once your Matrice 400 has been done updating, you are able to test fly it and get it up in the air. Be sure to stay tuned for the next video. We are going to be test flying and using the LiDAR as well. See you in the next video guys.